Hey guys, it's Sean Wilmoth. I and my wife own Cedar Pond Farms, and welcome to Cedar Pond Farms. We're today doing a video about entering Unit 3B. B as in boy, B is our second level unit. It's a 3-bedroom unit, and you obviously have booked that if you're watching this video, likely. You're going to enter right down there at the road. It says Barndo 2, the one behind me, and Barndo 3, the one beside me, and the entrance clearly marks that. When you approach, you're going to actually enter the back of the building right there at that stairwell and go in. But for your parking, everyone wants to know, don't park where I did. This is just for video purposes. You can unload there, but it blocks the way to the unit on the other side. Right behind me, you're going to see a bunch of stoppers. Just pull over to those stoppers and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions when you arrive, of course, reach out to us. But as always, thanks for booking with Cedar Pond Farms. If you didn't book direct, you can check out our website, cedarpondfarms.com, and learn more information there about our direct booking and our cow experiences. Consider doing a cow experience while you're here. We have thousands of people do it over the year, and it's a very popular thing to do on the farm when you come visit. So thanks for watching my video as always, and if you need us, call us. We'll help you over the phone. And there's also a doorbell button on the door that you can push, and we'll help you get in, that way if you had trouble with the lock. But typically it's very reliable. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great stay. Thank you. Bye-bye.